Good afternoon to all. Hope my voice is audible clearly. Let me start my screen. Is screen visible? Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. In yesterday's lecture, we have discussed down what are the difficulties with DFT. And then we have discussed the number of real multiplications, real additions, and trigonometric functions required. And also we have discussed how FFT is better as compared to the DFT. Hope everyone has understood yesterday's discussion. Any query? Anybody is having any question? Or shall I proceed further? Yes. So please give response. Anyone?
No difficulties.
Okay. Then let us move further. The classification of FFT algorithm. That is FFT classification. In that, there are basically two types. One is divide and conquer approach method. In that, there are two types. One is Radix 2 DIT50 algorithm. That is Radix 2 indicates we are dividing a sequence smaller to the smaller value, that is up to 2 values. And here DIT stands for decimation in time FFT algorithm, and DIF stands for decimation in frequency FFT algorithm. And at the end, we are going to discuss on this Gorgel algorithm. So to how to calculate the FFT at a particular value. Okay, now let us start one by one. So before going to start with the derivation, so first we will understand. So what is this Radix 2 DIT50 algorithm? As I mentioned, Radix stands for here like we are dividing or making the sequence into smaller and smaller part up to the value 2, or else we can say here the equation as I mentioned already yesterday. So the equation we are dividing in the form of this, right? N equals to 2 to the power somewhere it is used real, somewhere it is used V. Don't get confusion with that part, right? Notation is different. So then, so here this radix here to indicate that the sequence length L, N satisfied, L is an integer. So therefore, how does this DIT50 operate? So first point is to decompose an endpoint time domain signal into N signals. Okay, each containing a single point. Then again, each decomposing state uses an interlace decomposition, separating the even and odd indexed samples. And last, to calculate the N frequency spectra corresponds to the N time domain signals. So with the butterfly diagram operation, we will understand that how this 8-point DFTs will be converted into like even and odd part. And finally, we are clubbing to get the frequency spectrum, or that is the DFT value. Then let us, this is what if we have a sequence, let us take one small example. I'm just taking here. This is having the value from क्या हो रहा है इसको? Just a minute. I think something is the problem there. Okay. Now, so this is how I have taken a simple sequence which is having the value from 0 to 15. That means total points are 16. So first we are dividing it into the even and odd part. Hope you are getting my point. So यहाँ पे sequence है 0 to 15 तक, and I am dividing this sequence into the even number part and the odd number part. Okay, and then again this function we are dividing it into with the value of bit reversal order, right? So that bit reversal, I will tell you what exactly the bit reversal order is. Bit reversal order, इसको क्या हो रहा है यार आज? Bit reversal order value, and then this will be the same on the other side again. Okay, and finally we are just making the group of 4 signals of 4 points. Then we are converting that into the 2 points again. Likewise, we are converting this into the 2 points. And finally, we are calculating the values of DFT. That's what we are calling the DFT value as the output which we are getting is in a bit reversal order. Okay, so that is 0, 8, 4, 12, 2. Let me make you understand first what is bit reversal order, and then we will proceed further. Okay, so here, if I go to this part, let us understand what is bit reversal order. We suppose bit reversal order here, as we know that this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are our 8-bit numbers, 0 to 7. Then if I want to write its binary number, binary equivalent value, how do I write? 0 के लिए क्या लिखते हैं? 0, 0, 0. Then it is by 0, 0, 1. Can anyone tell me next part? How to write a binary number for this? Hope my voice is audible. आवाज येतोय माझं व्यवस्थित?
Yes, sir.
You please respond here. Anyone? 0, 1,
1
0,
0
and 0,
0 1
1, 1, 1,
0 1 0 0
0,
1 0 1
0, 1,
1 1 0
1, 0, and all ones.
1 1 1.
So this is binary number we are writing. And here a bit reversal order, right? Bit reversal order or bit reversal number we can call it is. तो यहाँ पे इसको अगर आप रिवर्स करेंगे तो as it is रहेगा, right? If I reverse this, what will happen? It is will be 1, 0, 0. तो ये क्या होगा? 0, 1, 0. Then what will happen to this? 1, 1, 0. This is 0, 0, 1, and this is 1, 0, 1. This is 0, 1, 1, and this is 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now if I want to write this equivalent number now, equivalent number, that is bit reversed equivalent number, we can call it is equivalent bit reversed number. Bit reversed number. क्या लिख सकता है मैं यहाँ पे? This is 0 again. तो इसको क्या लिख सकता हूं मैं? Yes, कोई बताएंगे मुझे? This is again 4. What about this? This is 2. What is this? This is 6. Then again 1, 5, 3, and 7. Understood? How I am writing this bit reversal equivalent number?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया? अभी आप अगर डायग्राम में देखेंगे, if you look at into the diagram, right, ये वही आ रहा है यहाँ पे. This is for a 16 point they have taken, but I have taken it for the 8 point value. समझ में आया? That's how we are writing. So here, if it is for 8 point, so that will be the value. If it is for 16 point, like 0, मतलब पहला जो आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, if you are looking at this part, so here all the values are, first values are the odd numbers, sorry, even numbers. तो ये जो पहले values है आपके, तो ये पहले values है, even numbers में आ जाएंगे यहाँ तक, right? उसके बाद odd numbers. So this is the way how we are converting, or how we are proceeding to calculate a DFT value with the help of the given equation x of n. This is how we are writing x of n will be, the inputs are in natural order. For this case, natural order, that is sorry, right, for this actually it's not in natural order. So here, this is what the purpose of understanding how the bit reversal order is. After that, we will discuss like how to apply the inputs for DIT as well as DIF again. Okay, now let us understand with the equation format. So पहला हमने क्या किया है, to divide an n point sequence x of n into n by 2 points, x1 of r and x2 of r, right? So that means here I am just dividing this n point sequence x of n into the value. One is x1 of r, which we are calling it as even function, and x2 of r, which we are calling it as the odd function. Then to compute the DFT of x1 of r and x2 of r, we are having this equation. So यहाँ पे x1 of k equals to, we know the formula, r equals to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x1 of r w n by 2 rk, which equals to r equals to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of 2 r. So this way, as I have assumed this is what the even function x of 2 r w r k n by 2, where the value of k is 0 to n by 2 minus 1. Because why I am taking this n by 2 minus 1, this is the 4-point value, and this is like, as this is the case, if it is of 8-point value, तो इसमें हमें 4 सैंपल चाहिए और इसमें 4 सैंपल चाहिए. So I am taking up to the 4-point value. So what does it mean? It is, if it is a 8-point, 0 to 8 by 2, 4 by 2 minus 1, मतलब 0 to 3 तक अपना वैल्यू क्या रहेगा, इवन नंबर रहेगा, and the further value what we are having will be for the value of odd number, that is from 4 to 7, the values will be the odd part, right? So that's how we are calculating the DFT for even sequence and the DFT for the odd sequence. The next, to compute the DFT of n-point sequence, to compute the DFT of n-point sequence. So here we have an equation x of k n equals to 0 to n minus 1, x of n wn to the power nk. This is our formula of DFT. And then as I am just dividing the equation for even sequence and odd sequence, so as per with the previous equation, we are just substituting these values, right? And finally, we are simplifying this, and we are getting it as x1 of k plus wn to the power k x2 of k. So this is for the value of the half portion we are getting, x of k we are getting it is, if it is up to like x of k for the value x, which will be equals to, it is x1 of k plus wn to the power k x2 of k. Then for this is for the first half value, and the next half value we are calculating it in this way. So that is, we are writing the value as x of k plus n by 2 is equals to x1 of k plus n by 2 plus wn to the power k plus n by 2 x2 of k plus n by 2. According to the symmetry property, what we are going to write for this value, इसके लिए क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? What our symmetry property states? wn to the power k plus n by 2 is equals to, what is symmetry property?
minus wn to the power k.
It is minus wn to the power k. तो उसके लिए हम यहाँ पे लिख रहे x1 of k minus wn to the power k x2 of k. So that means the first half value we are calculating it as x1 of k, and the second half value we are calculating it as x2 of k. So and finally we are calculating it as x of k. So this is what the flow diagram which we are moving to perform with the FFT algorithm, that is DIT FFT algorithm. Now butterfly computation, let us understand, as already I discussed this part, x1 of k, x2 of k, this is wn to the power k is the multiplier here. Then this is minus 1, the butterfly which we have discussed yesterday, same. यहाँ पे क्या था अपना, what was our input, first input, here I have taken it as a, और यहाँ पे b लिया था मैंने, और this is a multiplier, and here the value we got is capital A is equals to, क्या मिला था हमें value, a plus wn to the power k into B, and this is capital B is equals to, we got the value as what? A minus W into the power K into B. So that's how यहाँ पे आप ये value मिल रहा है हमें. X1 of K is acting like a A here, and X2 of K is acting like a B. So we are getting the answer as X1 of K plus W into the power K, X2 of K, and the second half portion will be X1 of K minus W into the power K, X2 of K. Then let us understand this with the diagram now. तो अभी यहाँ पे एक चीज आपको याद रखना है. This is our normal given sequence, right? We have divided like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And here for DIT, you have to remember very carefully. For DIT FFT algorithm, we are applying the input in bit reversed order. We are applying the inputs in bit reversed order. Okay. अभी मैं डायग्राम निकाल रहा हूं यहाँ पे. This diagram is for, we are writing it for 8 values, 8 point value. So x of 0, x of 2, x of 4, x of 6, 1, 3, 5, 7. Right? Then the first part, ये अपना x1 of आ रहा है, x2 of आ रहा है. Then so this is how we are dividing n by 2 point DFT और n by 2 point DFT. मतलब 4 point में हम पहला डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. उसके बाद we are getting the value. This is what we are calling it as a middle stage or stage 1 computation. This is, we are calling it as a stage 1 computation. Okay, this is, we are calling it as stage 1 computation. Stage 1 computation. That's what we are calling it as x1 of 0, x1 of 1, x1 of 2, and x1 of 3. And then again, the further half part is calculated with the second equation, that is x2 of 0, x2 of 1, x2 of 2, and x2 of 3. Then last, what we are doing is we are calculating the 8 point value, right? तो अभी यहाँ पे let me make you understand first. तो ये पहला वैल्यू x of 0 अभी क्या आएगा, कोई बताएंगे मुझे? Can anyone tell me what will be x of 0? x of 0 equals to क्या होगा अभी? Yes, as per our butterfly diagram. Butterfly diagram same है अभी. Okay.
0.
No. It's not 0. So how do we write that? How do we write that? Problem is today. Okay. Let me explain you. तो यहाँ पे अभी x of 0 का वैल्यू लिखना है हमें. So x of 0, I will write it as, कहाँ से सिग्नल आ रहा है उसको? x of 0 equals to, so ये ग्रीन लाइन आ रहा है पहला, right? It is like you just look at into the butterfly diagram. कल का जो butterfly diagram मैंने दिखाया था आपको, तो पहला it will be a combination of x1 of 0 plus, और दूसरा सिग्नल कौन सा आ रहा है वहां पे? दिस ब्लैक लाइन. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? तो यहाँ पे wn0 विच इज मल्टीप्लाइड विथ x2 of 0. आया समझ में? Yes or no? Are you getting how I am calculating the value of x of
Yes,
0?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
It is just, you need to remember the simple butterfly diagram which I have given you yesterday. It is x of 0 equals to, it is a combination of this line. तो ये जो लाइन आ रहा है आपका, this line and this line. बराबर? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion? Anybody
No
has any
confusion.
question here? Now let us calculate the second value. अभी मुझे x of 4 का आंसर बता दो. क्या आंसर आएगा इसका? x of 4 is equals to, what will be the answer? So first,
X of 0.
x1 of 0
minus
minus
Wn to the power 0
wn to the power 0 multiplied with
x2 of 0.
x2 of 0. Hope everyone has understood this. कितने लोगों को समझ में आया? Still, is there any problem? You please ask me here. Okay. Any confusion here? Any question?
No, sir.
What about others? Can anyone tell me the other person this value? बाकी लोग भी है ना वहां पे? Who will tell me the value of x of 1? X of 1 क्या आएगा अभी? Should I take the names? Shivani, are you there? Shivani Atkale. Shivani Atkale. Akanksha.
हेलो सर.
हाँ मैडम, आप बता सकते हैं मुझे वैल्यू अभी?
आणखी रिपीट करता का? म्हणजे कळलं नाही.
मग आता आम्ही क्वेश्चन विचारल्यानंतरच कळत नाही तुम्हाला, आधी विचारा म्हणतो ना मी. Okay, anyway, for you I am just going to tell you once again. यहाँ पे ये देखो, अभी I wanted to calculate the value of this x of 1. तो यहाँ पे सिग्नल आ रहा है आपका, बराबर. Here I am just calculating the value. ये x of 1 का सिग्नल इधर आ रहा है, तो पहला वैल्यू क्या आएगा आपका? बताएंगे मुझे? x1 of 1, right? Then which signal is coming to that part? ये इधर से इधर आ रहा है. Yes or no? तो यहाँ पे प्लस wn to the power 1 multiplied with x2 of 1. Okay, so this is the way how we are calculating the value of x of 1, and this is what we are calling it as butterfly diagram, जो मैंने कल आपको लिख के दिया था. Butterfly diagram it is. Okay, and then yes, still anybody has a question here? आकांक्षा आया समझ में? आया? अभी भी डाउट है? आकांक्षा, who will tell me the value of x of 5? x of 5 कोई बताएंगे मुझे अभी आंसर? कौन बताएंगे आंसर मुझे x of 5 का भी? x of 5 will be equals to, from boys side, can anyone tell me how I can calculate a value of x of 5? Boys side, who will tell me the answer? Amol, are you there? Amol, Sunil Karande.
यस सर.
आप बता सकते हैं मुझे आंसर x of 5 का कैसा कैलकुलेट करना है? Tell me how to calculate value of x of 5. यहाँ पे x of 5 अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे, so this signal is coming first. Okay, then this signal. तो क्या लिख सकते हैं हम वहां पे? It is x1 of 1, as minus sign is there, so minus 1 multiplied with wn to the power 1 into x2 of 1. So this is the way how we need to calculate the values of this. So let us complete all 8 values, and this is what we are calling it as a butterfly diagram for the DIT FFT 8-point value. Or else in a simplified manner we will understand this. तो ये अभी सिंप्लीफाइड मैनर में है, राइट. So first butterfly diagram we are calculating in this way, means this is what we are calling it as the 2-point values, 2-point butterfly diagram. This is 2-point, and then so we are calculating, this is what we are calling it as a stage 1 computation we are calculating. तो यहाँ पे x1 of 0, x1 of 1 ऐसा लिखते जाएंगे हम up to x1 of 7 तक. Then these part will become as input to the second stage. तो second stage अपना ऐसा रहेगा, right? And this again we are calculating, it is कितने points का value होगा ये? 4 point it is. This is going to become a 4-point value. 4-point value. And again here this is what we are calling it as second stage. तो ये हम second stage बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे इसको, right? This is we are calling it as second stage point. Then here we are adding it is like x2 of 0, x2 of 1, likewise up to x2 of 7 we are calculating. And lastly we are calculating the 8-point values. So this is what we are calling it as 8-point. This is the 8-point value we are performing. And here the final answer we are adding it as x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 up to x of 7. So here the thing you need to remember is the input is in bit reversal order. Bit reversal order, and the output is in natural order. So that is what the thing you need to remember here, natural order. And how we are performing the operation is like 2-point, 4-point, and 8-point. So that means smaller, then again 2-point greater than that part, like double point we are doing. So as we know that, so here we have an equation like n equals to 2 to the power v, right? So abhi maine I wanted to calculate a 8-point value. So here v is indicating what the value is, v equals to log to the base 2n. So this will be equals to, what is the answer? Log 2 to the power 3 2n to the base 2, and this will be equals to, the answer is what?
3.
It is 3. Means for 8-point we require a 3-stage computation, right? 1, 2 and 3. Getting my point? This v stands here for the number of stages required to perform in computation. Now suppose if I want to calculate it for 16-point, how many stages you require? 16 के लिए कितना stages चाहिए?
4.
It is 4 because it is 2 to the power 4. तो यहाँ पे 4 आएगा, तो हमें 4 stages की वैल्यू चाहिए, मतलब यहाँ पे और एक बढ़ जाएगा, like 16-point वैल्यू हो जाएगा वो, right? And even the input bits are also will going to get changed. So it will be from 0 to 15, and at the end again like 2-point, 4-point, 8-point, and the 16-point value. So this is about the algorithm of DIT-A50 algorithm. Okay, then let us understand, this is what already I have discussed. तो ये चीजें मैंने already discuss किया है, no need to go for this. तो ये butterfly already I discussed. Okay, and bit reversal order मैंने आपको बताया है bit reversal order कैसा है बोल के. And one more thing here, this is what the bit reversal order already we have discussed. Okay, so this is all about DIT-A50 algorithm, and let's take one example and then we will solve the examples clearly and we will understand how exactly this DIT-A50 will perform. Please note down the question. Find the 8-point DFT of a sequence. Find the 8-point DFT of a sequence. 8-point DFT of a sequence. Find the 8-point DFT of a sequence. of a sequence x of n equals to of a sequence x of n is equals to x of n is equals to we have 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 using DIT FFT radix 2 algorithm. Using DIT FFT radix 2 algorithm. Using DIT FFT radix 2 algorithm. Radix 2 algorithm. Right? So this is how we need to find a DFT of this sequence using DIT FFT algorithm. Solution. Solution. So if I wanted to calculate the 8-point value, so here I require the multipliers W80, W81, W82, W83. W80 का वैल्यू कितना है? W81, what is the value? Already I have given all these values to you. 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. Correct? W8 to the power 2, we have it is minus j, and then W8 to the power 3, we have it is minus 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. Now further 4 values, how you are going to write?
Complex conjugate.
It's complex conjugate. Complex conjugate कहाँ पे आएगा अभी?
-1.
It is W8 to the power 4 will become as -1. W8 to the power 5 will be equals to W8 to the power 5 will be equals to what? W8 to the power 5 value is how much again? कोई बताएंगे मुझे प्रॉपरली? क्या होता है इसका कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट?
-1 by root 2
किसका
plus
कॉम्प्लेक्स
j1 by
कॉन्जुगेट
root 2.
होगा वो? Let me just cross verify once. Okay, it is minus 1 by root 2 plus j 1 by root 2. इसके बाद W8 to the power 6 will be equals to plus j, and then finally what we will get? W8 to the power 7 will be equals to 1 by root 2 plus j 1 by root 2. तो हमें सिर्फ ये 4 वैल्यू याद रखना है. Right? If you remember these 4 values, so further 4 values we can write it easily. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now let us write down the diagram, right? So let us write down the diagram for this. Let us write down the diagram for this. तो यहाँ पे diagram आपका, let me draw the diagram. So it is going to be, you just draw 8 horizontal lines. एट हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ड्रॉ करो अभी. कितने हो गए? 3 3 6 7 और ये 8. Okay. Now, how we are writing the inputs? Inputs we are writing in bit reversal order. Inputs we are writing in bit reversal order. Okay. So now we are writing the inputs in bit reversal order. तो inputs यहाँ पे bit reversal order में कैसा होता है? क्या होता है बताएंगे अभी मुझे? x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, then x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, and x of, sorry, what is this? X of 5, x of 3 और x of 7. बिट रिवर्सल डायग्राम से हमें ये लिखना है, राइट? अगर ये फॉर्म में हमें वैल्यू लिखना है यहाँ पे, तो वैल्यू क्या लिखेंगे आप? x of n इन बिट रिवर्सल ऑर्डर कैसा लिखेंगे? कोई बताएंगे मुझे? x of 0 है ये, x of 0 का वैल्यू कितना है? 1. देन व्हाट अबाउट x of 4? व्हाट अबाउट x of 4?
0.
इट इज 0. तो यहीं पे लिखता हूं मैं इसको, राइट? सो दिस वैल्यू विल बी इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड दिस वैल्यू विल बी इक्वल्स टू 1 एंड दिस वैल्यू विल बी इक्वल्स टू अगेन व्हाट? सॉरी, पहला वैल्यू 1 है, दूसरा 0, then x of 2 is again what? 1, x of 6 is 0, x of 1 is what? 1, x of 5 is 0, x of 3 is 1 and x of 7 is 0. आया समझ में? Yes or no? This is the input in bit reversal order I am just applying. Understood? Input in bit reversal order. This is very important thing you need to remember. Bit reversal order it is. Now let us draw the diagram here. पहला 2 point का वैल्यू हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे. Let us draw the diagram. Okay, so this is just a 2 point butterfly we need to complete. So here, this is again a -1, -1, -1 or -1, right? And the multiplier as we are using it is 2 point. So we are using it is W8 to the power 0. Here W8 to the power 0, W8 to the power 0, and this is W8 to the power 0. एक चीज याद रखो यहाँ पे, जहां पे -1 है वही लाइन को हम मल्टीप्लायर ऐड कर रहे हैं. एंड हियर द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस W8 to the power 0 will be equals to W2 to the power 0 because it is a 2 point value. तो ये W8 to the power 0 equals to W2 to the power 0 which can be written as 1. Okay, now let us calculate the values here. So let me call here x1. इसको x1 बोलेंगे हम, इसको x2 बोलेंगे, और else as it is the first stage value, so what we will call? We'll call it as x1 of 1, x1 of 2, x1 of 3, x1 of 4, x1 of 5, x1 of 6, x1 of 7, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, this will be 0. We need to start with 0. We need to start with 0. This is 0. This is x1 of 1, x1 of 2, x1 of 3, x1 of 4, x1 of 5, x1 of 6, and x1 of 7. Now let us calculate stage 1 computation, right? Stage 1 computation we can call it is stage 1 computation. So x1 of 0 is equals to क्या होगा? कोई बताएंगे मुझे? x1 of 0 will be what? It is x of 0 plus w 2 to the power 0 I will take x of 4, which will be equals to the value of x of 0 is 1 plus w2 to the power 0 value is also 1 into 0. So which will be equals to it is 1. So we will get the value of this as 1 it is. Likewise, you calculate the value of x1 of 1. x1 of 1 is equals to, or else directly you can write down the values. This is 1 minus, as minus sign is there, and w8 to the power 0 value is again 1 into 0. So answer क्या आएगा इसका? 0. Then x1 of 2, x1 of 2 is equals to, can anyone tell me the answer now here? What is the answer of x1 of 2? Hello? Am I audible?
1.
x1 of 2 is again, what we will write? It is x1 of 2 is 1 plus 1 plus 1 into 0 again. So will be equals to 1. And x1 of 3, just calculate the values. x1 of 3, x1 of 4, x1 of 5, x1 of 6, and x1 of 7. Tell me the answer.
Sir, x1 of 1 1 आएगा ना?
Okay, 1 minus, okay, this is 1. Okay, madam, sorry. So this will be 1. Calculate further values.
All 1 ही आएगी.
All 1 आएंगे, पक्का?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so all values will get it as 1. Hope everyone has understood this. तो अभी यहाँ पे ये सबके values 1 आएंगे, right? So this is what we are calling it as a stage 1 calculation. Now the stage 1 output will becomes an input to the stage 2. Hope you have noted this part. Now stage 2, how do we calculate? Stage 2 is what? 4-point value we are having. We need to calculate a 4-point value. So let us continue with the diagram again. So again, let us continue with the diagram. तो ये यहाँ तक आएगा. Let us complete this. हमें ऐसा 3 स्टेज कैलकुलेट करना है. The procedure is same again. Just I need to use a proper multipliers. तो यहाँ पे as this is a 4 point, so I need to just make it as 4 point value. तो अभी 4 point मतलब है कि ये दो पॉइंट्स ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई ऐड होते जाएंगे. सी प्रॉपरली लाइक हाउ आई एम ज्वाइनिंग द लाइंस. आया समझ में? मतलब यहाँ पे 4 पॉइंट मतलब 8/2 8/2 वी आर डिवाइडिंग इट इनटू like 4 point values. This is a 2 point computation we can call. मतलब 8/4 हुआ है यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे 4 point computation we are performing. तो अभी ये इधर आएगा, and where will be the minus sign? Minus sign यहाँ पे आएगा, -1 यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे -1, right? And this is what the multiplier will be, W4 to the power 0 and W4 to the power 1. Okay, and again let us club these points. This is -1 and this is -1, and again here W4 to the power 0 and W4 to the power 1, sorry, W4 to the power 1. Okay, and now here this will calculate the value of x2 of 0, x2 of 1, x2 of 2, x2 of 3, x2 of 4, x2 of 5, x2 of 6, and x2 of 7. Now, can anyone tell me the value of W4 to the power 1? W4 to the power 1 will be equals to, we can write it as W8 to the power 2. Is it is correct? लिख सकते हैं क्या ऐसा? W4 to the power 1 will be equals to W8 to the power 2. Yes or no? It is just same as 1 8/2. Likewise, this will be like W4 to the power 1. Or else simply we need to write the value of W8 to the power 2. What is the value? W8 to the power 2 का value क्या है? 1/√2 minus J 1/√2. So this value we need to multiply. Now let us calculate the value of this x2 of 0. x2 of 0 is what? x1 of 0, x1 of 0 plus this line W4 to the power 0, or else simply we will write it as W8 to the power 0 multiplied with x1 of 2, which is equals to, what is the answer? आप स्टेज 2 कंप्यूटेशन अलग सा करो, क्योंकि हमें ओके, अदरवाइज आई विल डू इट सेपरेटली सो दैट वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड कंप्लीट फ्लो अगेन. डायग्राम में हम बाद में और एक स्टेज करना है वहां पे. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस. लेट मी कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू सेपरेटली. सो हियर लेट मी कैलकुलेट x2 of 0 is equals to x2 of 0 is equals to x2 of 0 equals to, it is x1 of 0 plus W8 to the power 0 into x1 of 2, x1 of 2, which is equals to the value is x1 of 2, which is equals to the value is x1 of 0 value is 1 plus 1 into 1, which will be equals to 2. तो इसका वैल्यू आया 2, right? Similarly, we will calculate the value of x2 of 1. x2 of 1 is equals to x2 of 1, what we can write here again, x1 of 1 plus x1 of 1 plus this value is W4 to the power, sorry, x1 of x of 1 we are calculating. So here again it is W4 to the power 1 multiplied with W4 to the power 1 multiplied with x1 of 3. x1 of 3. So which is equals to, the value is 1 plus this value is 1 by root 2 minus j1 by root 2 into 1, or else this is equals to, how do you simplify this? तो यहाँ पे इसको हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं 1 plus 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. तो आंसर क्या है इसका? Anybody? What is the answer? I think something is getting wrong, right? बराबर है ये x2 of 1 is equals to, what is the value of w8 to, sorry, w8 to the power 2 का वैल्यू कितना है? हेलो,
-j.
क्यों यार आप लोग ऐसे चुपचाप बैठते हो? हाँ, w8 to the power 2 value is minus j, right? So this becomes 1, or this value is minus j into 1. So which will be equals to, it is 1 minus j. So this answer is 1 minus j. Likewise, you just calculate the other values. x3 of 1, sorry, x2 of 2, कितना आता आंसर? कोई बताएंगे? x2 of 2 you just calculate. Anybody? Tell me the answer for this. You just go on calculating the answers. Let me take the attendance up to that part, so that let us understand how many I will calculate this. ना किसी का? Hello? Hope if I continue for another 5-10 minutes, there is no problem. कुछ क्लास वगैरह है क्या आगे?
हाँ सर, एक सेशन है वो इंटरव्यू का।
किस चीज का? टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू सेशन है क्या? Okay, just 5 minutes.
हाँ सर, ठीक सर, ठीक सर.
We'll complete this and you just join that session.
Okay sir, no problem.
Let us complete the diagram. Just extend करो लाइन को ऐसा ही. I will just complete this part. So यहाँ पे हम ऐसा extend करना है इसको. So then finally we'll just draw the diagram here for this 8-point value. So here each butterfly requires how many diagrams? Sorry, each stage requires how many butterfly diagrams? कोई बताएंगे मुझे आंसर? Each butterfly requires how many butterfly? Each stage requires how many butterfly diagrams? कितने डायग्राम दिख रहे हैं आप लोगों को वहां पे? उतना तो बताओ यार, जो सामने दिख रहा है वो तो बताओ. Yes. So this is what the 4-point I have just added, and here again in the next part I'm just adding this way. तो ये यहाँ पे आएगा, यहाँ पे आएगा. It's like this way. We need to just club the points and we need to get the answer, right? तो अभी यहाँ पे multiply रहेगा. This is -1, this is -1, this is -1, and this is -1, and here the multipliers are omega 8 to the power 0, omega 8 to the power 1, omega 8 to the power 2, and this is omega 8 to the power 3. Similarly, you just calculate these values like x3, or we are simply calling it as x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, and at the end x of 7. I am just giving you the values here. The procedure is same. You just calculate each stage values and just check your answer. The answer for this is, so this will be, it is 4. This is again 1 minus j 2.41, and this is, the value is 0, and this will be equals to, again it is 1 minus j 0.414, and this is equals to 0. Then again this is 1 plus j 0.414, और उसके बाद this is 0, and lastly we are getting it as 1 plus j 2.414. 1 plus j 2.414. So this is the way how we are calculating the DFT of the given sequence with the help of DIT-FFT algorithm. So finally we can write the answer as x of k is equals to, what is the answer? This is 4, 1 minus j 2.41, comma 0, comma 1 minus j 0.414, comma 0, comma 1 plus j 0.414, comma 0, and lastly we are getting 1 plus j 2.414. So this is the way we have to write the final answer. So here, this is how we are calculating the answer, or this is how we are solving the examples for DIT-FFT algorithm. It requires a practice. You have to solve it by yourself. So please solve it by yourself so that you can understand clearly. Or else if you have any questions, you can ask me afterwards. Anybody has any question here? And this last stage is a 8 points.
Sir. No question, sir. A16 is present.
Okay. So you please check the answers just by doing yourself. Okay. Thank you. We'll close the session here and we'll continue further in the.
Present.
Huh?
Roll number 1 present.
Roll number 1 present. कहाँ गए थे मैडम?
Sir, unmute होत नव्हतं.
Hello, sir. Roll number 50 present, sir.
Yes, you are present, boss.
51 also present.
Yes, sir. और कोई है? 1 present, 16 present, 50 present, 51 present. Anybody else? और कोई बचा है क्या?